Today we're looking at the BougeRV expandable battery bank. Now this expandable battery bank allows you to power your BougeRV accessories. So when you don't have a cord to be able to power up your BougeRV, they do have an expandable slot here on the side where you can take your expandable battery, and what it does is you just click it on the sides like this and you're able to get it to run just by clicking the buttons and sliding it in. Now the funny thing is when you put it in, you actually put it in upside down, but this allows you to run your refrigerator either while you're charging it with the wire, whether you're on grid or off a battery pack, but it also charges this as well. So when you unplug your power, you're able to run your BougeRV refrigerator non-stop. Now the great thing is not only can you run it when the sun goes out for about 8 to 10 hours, but you can also charge it and use it while the power is on so that you can have non-stop continuous power for your BougeRV portable refrigerator. And if you want to quickly charge it up through any regular USB-C plug, whether in the house with a charging block or a USB-C from your car, you just plug it right in the front and get it charged up for your next camping trip or van life excursion. So that means you will never go without a freezer or a fridge anywhere you want to go, whether it is camping, tailgating, or boondocking. If you got a battery pack, you don't always have to have your big battery or your solar panels to charge it up. The battery pack gives you a little bit more convenience so that you can get into those harder to find places and still have cold food and cold drinks.